Good Saturday morning. I'm NBC7 meteorologist Brooke Martell. Here is what you need to know. We do have some patchy fog over the coastline over some of our valleys on this Saturday morning. We're looking at gradual mixing heading into this afternoon. By that time, your daytime highs trending near seasonal norms. I'll show you that in just a moment. And we still have those thunderstorm chances. We've been talking a lot about the monsoonal moisture that continues to influence the weather pattern, particularly over the mountain community. So chances for the thunderstorms by this afternoon. We could also see that development over the desert region. If you're getting your morning started here, here's a closer look at visibility. You can see for places like Fallbrook, we're closer to about a quarter mile with that dense fog. Not too far from the 15, closer to the coast, a bit more patchy and at that mid to high level. So it doesn't look to be causing any issues for drivers out on the roads. Heading to the beach today, this is what you can expect. We know about the cloudy conditions this morning, but by about this afternoon, close to 12 p.m., low 70s for La Jolla, moderate rip current risk. So just be careful if you plan on getting in the water. We could still have those rip currents pulling swimmers and surfers away from the coastline. Wave heights from 3 to 4 feet. Water temperature, I just checked, 66 degrees up to about 73 degrees. So it should be pretty nice out there. Hourly forecast for the Inland Valley communities. Taking a look, mostly cloudy skies here up until about 7 o'clock, breaking up slightly by 8 a.m. And then as we get into late this morning, we'll warm up close to those upper 70s, even some low 80s possible by about 11 o'clock. And then heading into the peak hours of the day, many places across the interior will be from the 80s. Some places could be reaching the 90s too. But by about 7 o'clock tonight, we're still hanging on to some upper 70s. So let's get you your daytime highs. Oceanside, Encinitas, you're closer to the low 70s today. 73 degrees for La Jolla, 78 for San Diego International Airport. So you can see we're trending a little bit warmer there, which is typical. And then mid 70s down in IB for your Inland Valley communities. We have 85 for La Mesa, 88 for El Cajon, Poway, Escondido. That's what we're trending closest to. And then right around those low 90s. That goes for Ramona and Valley Center. We have 83 degrees for Pine Valley, 81 for Julian. And Borrego Springs finally getting a break from those triple-digit temperatures, closer to 97 degrees today. Timing out a couple things for you. This is a look at your future weather pattern. One model I want to show you that is picking up some of that moisture as we get into this afternoon. So this again would be primarily over those mountain communities. It's possible we could see some of that development over our desert region as well. And this could continue into this evening. So you'll probably see some of those puffy clouds that we've been seeing this week over the higher elevations. Another chance for some of this activity as we get into your Sunday as well. So it's not picking up a lot of it, but there are some more changes on the way. High pressure is going to break down. This low is going to swing in from Alaska. This is going to usher in just some cooler air for us. So that means cooler daytime highs as we get into this upcoming week. So here's a look at that 10-day forecast. Those low 70s actually. And then it does look like we continue to get that break from the triple-digit temperatures for portions of the desert. At least you could see we'll be right around those mid 90s as we look ahead to Tuesday, maybe even into next weekend. Have a great day.